Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Okta Verify from one phone to another. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and launch the Okta Verify app on your new phone. Come to the bottom, tap on Next, and then from here I want you to tap on Add Account, and then I want you to choose the account type as organization. And here they'll ask you to add account from another device. You can come here and tap on that, and you can allow Bluetooth, right? Come here, click on Allow again. Now it'll ask you if you have your QR code. If you have it on your other device, just go ahead and scan the QR code, or you can enter the code manually as well. They give you two options. If you have that QR code, scan it or enter it manually. And I'll tell you one thing to note. Now, let's say that you no longer have access to your phone. What you do is you reach out to your organization. It will go ahead and a help desk to reset your Okta Verify enrollment. And this is necessary because Okta Verify is tied to your specific device. And without access to the old device, you cannot transfer the account directly. And that's all there is for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.